welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share the Lamb Shanks Mandi recipe. Here I cook the lamb shanks in the instant pot and it's very easy to make, flavorful and fall off the bone style. Let's prepare the marinade. For that we need cinnamon powder 1 tablespoon, paprika powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 2 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, ground cloves 1 teaspoon, ground cardamom 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoon, tomato paste 2 tablespoon, olive oil 2 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and salt. Mix all the ingredients very well until all the mix is incorporated well. You can add a little more oil or water to adjust the consistency. It's good for like 6 to 8 pieces. Here I'm using the 6 lamb shanks cleaned. You can apply the marinade over the lamb shanks and make sure everything coated nicely. Once you marinate it, you can let it rest for 1 hour in the refrigerator. Now I'm going to cook the lamb shank. First add 1.5 cups of water and then you can place the marinated lamb shanks in the trivet. Place the trivet in the instant pot and pressure cook for 45 minutes and make sure the valve is in the sealing position. Once the pressure is fully released, you can open the instant pot and remove the lamb shanks and make sure to cover it in. Now we are going to prepare the rice. Heat a large pot, add 2 tablespoons olive oil, add 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves and 1 dry lemon and 4 green cardamoms and 2 Maggi cubes and saute for 1 minute and then you can add the sliced onions. Saute until onion becomes translucent and then you can add washed and drained basmati rice. Here I'm using 4 cups of basmati rice. Roast the rice for 2 minutes and then you can add the stock plus water. Here I am using 1:2 ratio. So that's why I'm adding 8 cups of stock plus water. Finally, you can adjust the salt and then cover and cook for 15 minutes in the medium heat. After 15 minutes, you can open the cover and fluff the rice. Then you can place the meat back on the top and let it cook for another 5 more minutes in the low heat. Meanwhile, you can make the tomato chutney. Here I'm using 2 tomatoes in the food processor. Add 2 garlic cloves and 3 green chilies and 1 handful of coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and salt. Blend it a couple of times and then the tomato chutney will be ready and you can keep it aside. Once the rice is ready, you can transfer the rice to a serving dish and you can place the meat on top and garnish with some roasted nuts. Here is our Lamb Shank Mandi. It's juicy, flavorful and fall off the bone style. It's very easy to make. You must try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll see you soon back with another recipe. Bye. Take care.